Hello Blink app. So popular device this holidays for gifts. This app is for use with Hello Blink sticker maker and can be used to assist in printing photographs, drawings, and images from the app's image library. It will allow the user to choose which images they want to print and then send that image to the sticker printer and have it printed on the sticker. So here you have it. Set up your printer, choose your label, choose an image, and then you just tap get to install it. So just double click to install it. Pretty cool. And then just open it up. Sticker maker. Set up your printer. Just connect your printer. Choose a sticker shape, square, and then just import or create your own image. Draw whatever you like. Insert, and then use the image looking good, and then print, and then just connect the printer and print it. Super cool. Yeah, how to load paper. You can see how you just connect this printer. FAQs. So yeah, you need to enable Bluetooth, but super easy app, quite nice.